Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. What up? What up? It is beyond freezing here. It is cold, cold, cold. Is it cold where you guys are too? Morning. Get logged in here. 51. That's freezing. Better stay indoors. Mm. Yesterday, caught two really good trades: Google shorts and Tesla shorts. Um, yo, yo. Good morning, Dustin. Good day yesterday. Hopefully, we can print again. Sorry, I'm eating. Bro, it's freaking brutal. It's -5. This has potential here. Let's see. I hate when TLM loads slow. Uh, Maybe not. I'm not going to test that. Looks like kind of a full rotation happened there. Apple, this doesn't look half bad. Don't really have any pivot low. Yeah, I'm going to stay away from Apple. While we could rotate down, right? It seems like it wants to fake me out and trap me. So I'm going to stay away from that. I personally hate shorting Apple, but that's another. Okay, let's see this. I just said we have a gap up, right? We took out a high. Just makes me think bullish. Amazon has potential either way for TLM. Morning, John. See Microsoft. Dang, we're probably gonna miss Microsoft. We'll see though. Here we go. Here we go. Kind of trendy yesterday, but I still like it. I really like it. If we get above, let's see. I'm good taking this. I actually really like this. We might have to pull the trigger here. Boom, with your stop here, target the other side, target like 141. Nice. Yeah, look at NVIDIA right now. Stop's going to be about $1. So size appropriately. So boom, 139, 138. It's about $70. Let's do 7 contracts. I'm going to go ahead and enter a market there. All right. Let's get it. Let's freaking get it. Come on. So in NVIDIA, it was like just the perfect entry there. Right in NVIDIA, I'm going to go ahead and set my OCOs up. If you guys missed it, don't chase. That was really quick. Again, my job is not to give alerts, just to teach, but that was 100% an alert. Oh, man. I'm setting up my OCO. Mark at or below. You can enter kind of on that pullback there. You know, we still might get a pullback. So 138.65, probably a fine stop. While this low, it is technically strong. I just don't know how significant it is. So it could get swept, but I like my odds here. So I like my odds. Let's see what we can do. Meta. No. Probably not playable. PLTR. Let's see. Let's let this load. No. Maybe Qs. I hope not, because that means NVIDIA is probably going down. NVIDIA might be good for an entry now. Nah, I don't know. Mike, you guys might have missed it if you didn't get it. SPY bounce from a demand zone. Kind of. Not very aggressively. Not very aggressively, was it? Was that an all-time high yesterday? 611? Yeah. So crazy. Just hitting all-time highs every other day. Crazy. But inflation's still high. Interest rates are still high. Yeah, not a very aggressive bounce. It is a bounce, but not a very aggressive one. Doesn't mean we can't play. I wouldn't play it necessarily yet, but like think of it like this, Sandeep. We had a big explosive move, right? Basically yesterday market close. But why did we end up back here already that quickly? That tells me that this move was kind of fake, right? So it's kind of going against any bullish bias, even on like NVIDIA, right? Like the more I look at other charts, the less I like this trade, right? Doesn't mean this won't work out, but the market doesn't really look like, hey, get long, you know. At least for today. We'll see though. Yes and no. The downside is we were in a downtrend, right? And we broke out of that downtrend. And we basically, the only pullback was right here. And that's not even really a really good pullback. So if we come back and let's say here and we start to enter short, all that could be is another pullback for another move higher. So it looks like I'm kind of counter trend now in the short term. And there's no low that I've taken out. Again, market seems to be, it wants to be bearish. So that kind of changed everything. But there is, see how there's no low here? There's no low. So that's something to watch. See what we can do here. This might just be a quick out. I don't know. Kind of weird. But I'll take this trade 100 times. This is perfect in my opinion. Now, I don't love my stop necessarily. I would rather have my stop down here. But we'll see. Yeah, so that's obviously Tanner's a better trader than me. So he waited for that. which is awesome, right? Tanner's a really good trader. He has more patience than I do. And I'm pretty patient, but that's what Tanner waited for. So we'll see. No. I'm serious, bro. But yeah, if I get swept and Tanner ends up winning this trade, I'm never doing another live. That's just a fact. Which is probably going to end up happening. What's going to happen is this. It's going to go like this. Sweep, move higher. What I could do is I could double down. I could have it down. That would work. Just over leverage. That would work really well if I did that. If I did that, I'd probably make $1 million today. I think that's what I'll do. I'll just double down. That's what your mind says when you're trading. Just double down. It'll work out. You'll get rich. Amazon, maybe TLM, bro. Kind of the same thing. It's like kind of swept this, pushed higher. I don't know. Nothing looks very favorable. Sorry, markets. I was the only one that really caught a win yesterday, so market's paying me back today for that, I think. But seriously, like I take this trade 100 times, like literally. We break a strong high, right? And we're inside of TLM. Like we also break high a day too. Like that's like perfect. Perfect setups only work about 70% of the time, right? So it is what it is. And I'm out. It's something I may replay it later if we do end up sweeping this and pulling up higher, pull back. I don't know if that will happen, but welcome to an L. Let me post that in my journal. It's all right. Still up like 1,500 on the month, baby. Can't complain. Slower month. Still got a week left. Yeah, what was that at 1 point? Let's see. Kinda, yes and no. Not really. It's like you're looking at like micro. I don't really know what you're looking at, Cindy. You're looking like this is how I feel like your chart is. So no, we haven't. If anything, we're in an uptrend. If anything. So I wouldn't say there's been a change of market structure. I think this could work. I really do, but look at that. It's so annoying. It'd be your own process sometimes. Like I don't hate this. I do hate how we're kind of stuck in between. You know, it's like we stop hunt this low, pushed higher. It's ridiculous. Note to self. Here's another reminder. I did it like 3 months ago. Don't put stop under 1 minute strong low. Playing TLM. There we go. There we go. I'll leave that on there for the rest of my life. Yeah, your shop should be down here. Why did the market pump yesterday? Do you know? I bet this will end up working. Why did the market pump in a day yesterday? Do you guys know? I guess no one knows. Yeah, right here. I guess it's technically not a 1 minute strong high, but it's a pivot point high. It's a supply. Right, we took out that supply. I guess we did not take out that supply. Because a 1 minute strong low, unless if it's a pivot point, right? Like, unless if it's a pivot point, that's different. Like this low isn't really significant. This low is, right? That's what I mean. Because it'll never reach it. No. Dang it, Amazon's gonna end up working, I think. Probably Google. No, Google's not just flat. Amazon was the one for sure. No, it's the difference between these two, right? So there's this low and this low, right? If I were to go up one time frame, that low would not be a low that you play, right? That you would use, right? That's why. Again, if it's a pivot point low, it's a little different. You know, if it occurs like, let's just say like we did this, and then we do this, and then we come back up, and then this becomes our new strong low. Like, that's different. But it's like the speed that, like how quick it became a low and was not a low anymore. You know what I'm saying? What trade are you in? Nvidia? You wait all day. You just wait. You just set a target, you set a stop, and you walk away. Right? My stop was hit. Stop wasn't in a good spot. That's on me. But that's what you do. Set me free. Hey, you bet. It's life changing. Truly life changing. Yeah, market has been dookie. It's just that time of the month, man. A dull market, bro. For sure. For sure, John. It's a dull market. No, I don't know, honestly. They both suck. I don't know if I'll get anything else today, actually. So might just call it. Yeah. I mean, maybe you could have sniped this little pullback right there. You know, it would have been an absolute snipe. But yeah. I think it's doing really well right now. I know that it was like 2 Fridays. You know, like we had a big gap up or big gap down on Monday. I think we should be good. I really think we should be good. Obviously, always do money you can afford to lose. You know, don't refinance your house to put money in. But no, it should be good. I know Jordan's made some changes and updated some things to not have those big losses that way. So, yeah, it should be good. Should be good. Yeah. And you have you only the one contract, right? Yeah. Yeah. I actually started like right. I only experienced one of the losses, so um, I started after the first big loss. So I got lucky in that regards. Basically, I was freaking too busy / too lazy to set it up before that. I set it up after that though. So, but yeah, I'm back positive now. Um, it's positive, but yeah. Yeah, no, definitely. Dang, there's QQQ. What hit? Amazon would have hit. I just played the wrong side today, boys. How did your Apple stop loss hit? And why were you short Apple? I'm going to challenge you because that makes no sense. It should supplement though. I mean, that's the thing. Like, that's the thing you have to think. Like, all it is playing probabilities, right? If you have an 80% win rate and it has a good risk, it has it's like a profitable system. Just say, with anything in life, if it is a profitable system, okay, TLM, supply and demand, the bot, all that stuff, right? You have to have long-term vision, right? Even dollar cost average investing into the S&P 500, like that's a profitable system. It's been proven, right? I hate day trading Starbucks. It's a profitable system, right? For example, let's say you were to buy, let's just look at this, right? What if you started your 401k investing right here, right? You started January of 2020, you started investing, right? In the S&P 500. It's a profitable system, right? Right away, you would have lost like half your money, right? But if you would have kept trusting the system because it's a profitable system, right? And you have a long-term mindset, you're now up 108%, right? And actually, sorry. This is the COVID dip. 80% if you bought it like the highs pre-COVID, right? Exactly. That's the way you have to think about, anytime it comes to the market or anything that's a profitable system. Same thing if you build a business. Like if you believe in what you do, you may lose money for 5 years in your business, and then all of a sudden you turn a profit and now you have a successful business, right? You're doing the same thing every day. And it's a system that works, right? It's a proven profitable system, right? That's what's important. That's what's important. I low-key like this trade here if we can get a pullback. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna get this set up, see if we can even get something like this, but if we can even get that pullback. Look to end up break even on the day. Looks like it's kind of a straggler, right? So I can move let's just move it right to 409. Again, it might not get filled now, especially. Yeah, it might not get filled now. Dang. Yeah, for sure. For sure. We'll see if we can get a pullback here. If we can't, we'll just leave it. I don't think we're going to get it, unfortunately. That's correct, Dustin. Yes, that is correct. I guess I have OCO set on this. All righty, team. I think I'm going to head out. I do have an OCO set for if we do pull back to fill. If we don't pull back by 9:30, I'll cancel. I'll cancel it. Not financial advice. I would wait personally. I would probably wait. Do you have at least? Yeah, I would personally wait. What's the average risk per contract? Do you have it on the top of your head, or do you have the? Maybe able to pull the data. Is one contract a risk of 2,500 or? Okay, aggressive risk is 5K. I have a sheet right here. Okay. I don't. Oh, it doesn't have max risk. Yeah, it doesn't actually say. But you can't expect to earn about 1K per. It really is though. Like again, just think 1K per month over a course of 12 months, right? That's how you have to view it, right? It's not I'm gonna make 1K every single month. It's just like trading. Like you can make 10K a month consistently. Some months you're gonna make freaking 60K. Other months you're gonna lose 10. That's just how it is, right? But over the course of 12 months, you make about 10K a month, right? It's not like a paycheck. It's not like a salary. All right, y'all. I need to hop off. Go about my day. So I'm looking at the screen. Appreciate you guys hopping on. I'll see you next week. Peace.